Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as you can see from here that today we will going to learn about one topic. The topic name is Bayes theorem and its application. Hope you are able to see my writing, Bayes theorem and its application. This is from probability of class 12. Probability of class 12. Okay. Now, first, to know about Bayes theorem, we have to know about the theorem of total probability. Theorem of total probability. Now, what is the theorem of total probability? The theorem of total probability, let E1, E2, En be mutually En be n mutually exclusive and exhaustive event associated with a random experiment. Associated with a random experiment, and let E be an event that occurs with some year, E be another event that occurs with some EI. Then P of E equal to summation I equal to 1 to n P of E by EI into P of EI. Okay. So this is the theorem of total probability. Hope you are able to see it. The theorem of total probability. Okay. Now let's come to the proof of this. That is, if E1, E2, En be n mutually exclusive event and associated with some random experiment, and let E be another event occurs with some EI, then P of E is equal to P of E by EI into P of EI. So for that, let us take one sample space. One sample space S. Okay, sample S, and S equal to obviously E1 union A2 E2 union E3 union union En. Okay, and where EI intersection EJ is equal to phi for I not equals to j. If this happened, that means they are mutually exclusive. Okay, so E equals to obviously E intersection S, that means E intersection E1 union E2 union E3 dot 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 union En. Okay, so now we should write from here that this equal to E union E1 union E intersection E2 union E intersection E3 dot 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 union dot 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 E intersection En. Now taking the probability P of E, that's equals to P of E intersection E1 union E intersection E2 union E intersection E3 dot 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 union dot 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 E intersection En. Okay, now since they are disjoint, here we are getting that they are disjoint, hence EI intersection EJ equals to 5, so they are disjoint. Since E intersection E1 E intersection E2 dot dot E intersection En, these are pairwise disjoint. Since they are pairwise disjoint, so we can write it that P of E is equal to P of E intersection E1 plus P of E intersection E2 plus P of E intersection E3 plus dot dot plus P of E intersection En. Okay, now by conditional probability we can write it that we know that P of E by E1 equals to P of E intersection E1 by P of E1. Now from here we are getting P of E intersection E1 equals to P of E by E1 into P of E1. Okay, so we are writing like that. So we are getting here that P of E intersection E1, that's equals to P of E by E1 into P of E1 plus P of E by E2 into P of E2. Similarly, P of E by En into P of En. Okay, this is by multiplication theorem. By multiplication theorem. Okay, so now taking summation I equal to 1 to n, this can be written as P of Ei into P of E by Ei. Okay, so this is the proof of theorem of total probability. Hope you are able to understand it. So next move to the Bayes' theorem. Okay, now what is the statement of Bayes' theorem? I am writing the statements. Let E1, E2, En be mutually exclusive. Be mutually exclusive these are being mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. And let E be any event associated with a random experiment and also let E be any event that occurs with some EI, then if so, then probability of EI by E, that's equals to probability of E by EI into probability of EI divided by summation of I equal to 1 to n probability of E by EI into probability of EI. Okay, where the value of I should be lies here 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay, so this is the Bayes theorem. Understood? Probability of E by EI by E is equal to probability of E by EI into probability of EI divided by probability of E by EI into probability of EI under summation of I equal to 1 to n. Hope you are able to understood. Now let us come to the proof. So proof of Bayes theorem. Now by total probability we get P of E. By total probability we get probability of E, P of E, that's equals to summation I equal to 1 to n P of EI into P of E by EI. Understood? Now probability of EI by E, that's equals to probability of EI by E. Hope you are able to see it. Probability of EI by E, that's equal to probability of E intersection EI by probability of E. Okay, E intersection EI by probability of E. This is by multiplication theorem. Okay, now this probability of E intersection EI, hope you are able to see it. This probability of E intersection EI, so that's equals to probability of E by EI into probability of EI. Understood? Divided by, this is probability of E. This is by conditional probability we get. I am writing here the probability of E by EI, that's equals to probability of E intersection EI by probability of EI. Okay, so here this is probability E by EI into probability of EI by probability of E. Understood? Now this probability of E, that is probability of E is equal to, this is my equation number 1. Understood? So by taking equation number 1, we are putting the value of probability of E. So what we are getting, probability of E by EI into probability of EI divided by theorem of total probability summation I equal to 1 to n probability of EI into probability of E by EI. Okay, this is by using equation number 1. Okay, hence we can write that, hence the proof, hence probability of EI by E equals to probability of E by EI into probability of EI divided by summation of I equal to 1 to n probability of EI into probability of E by EI. Okay, so this is the proved. This is the proof of Bayes' theorem. Proof of Bayes' theorem. So that's it, viewers, for this video. Okay, we will meet in our next video from Bayes' theorem, taking some solution regarding to Bayes' theorem. Okay, some solution. Till then, keep watching my channel and do subscribe, and please do subscribe the channel and stay with me. Okay, thank you.